Hello and welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make chicken skewers without getting the veggies burnt. This easy and crispy oven grilled chicken skewers recipe is perfect for entertaining guests with some colorful summertime treats. I love to start by soaking the wooden skewers. This process will prevent them from burning while in the oven or on the grill. After that, we are going to move on to prepare the veggies. I'm using a combination of yellow, red, and green bell peppers. I'll start by cutting the peppers into square chunks. I'll do this with the rest of the bell peppers. I'm also using red onions for this chicken skewers recipe. I love red onion because of the sharp color and the noticeable aroma. Cut the onion into square chunks. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once you can get about 2 to 3 squares out of each slice, you are good to go. You can bring this into a medium-sized bowl and then season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Toss to combine and then set aside. I'm using 2 chicken breasts for this recipe. Make sure to use boneless chicken breast. Cut each strip into bit-sized cubes, just like so. Set the chicken aside for now. Let's make the chicken skewers marinade. Making the marinade for chicken skewers is a simple process that makes the chicken turns out really tasty and flavorful. In a mixing bowl, combine soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, cooking wine, mustard, minced garlic, olive oil, red chili pepper, and freshly ground black pepper. Bring the chicken pieces into the marinade. And gently toast to coat. Make sure every piece is fully immersed in the marinade. Wrap this up and refrigerate for about 2 to 6 hours. If you have enough time, you can marinate these overnight. Heat a medium-sized pan on the stove top. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once hot, add the chicken pieces to it and cook on each side for 2 minutes. Once it's 2 minutes, flip over to the opposite side and cook for another 2 minutes. You can cover this and allow it to heat up quickly. Begin shredding the chicken on the skewers while alternating it with the veggies. For me, I would love to start with 2 slices of onion. Then I'll follow it up with the meat, the green, red, and finally the yellow peppers. I will repeat this again with 2 slices of onions, the meat, and the veggies. How you treat yours is totally dependent on you. Continue with this step for the rest until you're done shredding the whole chicken on the skewers. While you're doing this, don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the shredded chicken on your oven grill. You can then place this in the oven for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, brush them with some oil or the remaining marinade. And also turn them over. Then grill for another 10 minutes. The closer they are to the broiler, the faster they cook and become golden brown in time. After 10 minutes, take your chicken skewers out of the oven. And the chicken skewers are ready. I don't really need to tell you how mouth-watering this turns out to be. They are really perfect and the veggies didn't burn at all. This looks so good. I hope you try this out and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Bye!